Question number 8, and here the sequence of number is minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2, and here this is this is A2, and this is A3, and this is A4. Okay, now firstly let's find the difference between them. Okay, let's find here firstly difference between A2 and A. A2 equal to, we have minus 1 by 2, and A equal to also minus 1 by 2. Okay, now minus 1 by 2 minus into minus plus 1 by 2, and here denominator is same, so 2 is common, and here remains minus 1 plus 1, and minus 1 and plus 1 can be cancelled out, and here remains 0 by 2. Okay, it means difference between A2 and A is 0. Students, here all terms are same, so of course difference between them will be also same. So here no need to check difference between each terms, and here common difference is 0, so it is also an AP. Now according to this question, we need to write its 3 more terms, that is A5, A6 and A7, and for that we simply add common difference to consecutive terms. But here common difference equal to, we have 0. So as we know, when we add any number with 0, will be obtain number itself. So here simply we can write its 3 more terms like this. Fifth term will be also minus 1 by 2, and sixth term will be also minus 1 by 2, and seventh term will be also minus 1 by 2. In this way we have obtained 3 more terms. Question number 9, and here the sequence of number is 1, 3, 9 and 27, and this is A, and this is A2, and this is A3, and this is A4. Okay, now let's find the difference between each terms. So firstly, difference between A2 and A. A2 equal to, we have 3 minus A equal to, we have 1. 3 minus 1, 2. Similarly, difference between A3 and A2. A3 equal to, we have 9 minus A2 equal to, we have 3. Then 9 minus 3, 6. Now difference between A4 and A3. A4 equal to, we have 27 minus A3 equal to, we have 9. 27 minus 9 will be 18. And here we came to know the difference between each terms is not same. So we can write here difference between each terms is not same, so it is not an AP. Now question number 10. Okay, let's solve over here. And here the sequence of number is A, 2A, 3A and 4A. And this is A, this is A2 and this is A3 and this is A4. Now let's find the difference between them. Firstly, difference between A2 and A. A2 equal to we have 2A and A equal to we have 1A. After subtracting 2A minus A, 1A. Now difference between A3 and A2. A3 equal to we have 3A and A2 equal to we have 2A. Again, after subtracting we obtain difference between A3 and A2 is 1A. Now difference between A4 and A3. A4 equal to we have 4A and A3 equal to we have 3A, and here also difference will be 1A. Students, in this way here we have obtained same difference, so it is an AP. Now according to this question we need to write its 3 more terms, that is we need to write fifth terms, sixth and seventh term. For that simply we add common difference to consecutive terms. So firstly let's add common difference to its fourth term, and our fourth term is 4A plus, and common difference is A. 4A plus 1A, we obtain 5A. This is fifth term. Again, if we add common difference to fifth term, then we obtain its sixth term, that is 6A. Similarly, if we add common difference to sixth term, then we obtain its seventh term, that is 7A. In this way, here we have obtained its 3 more terms, that is 5A, 6A and 7A. Question number 11, and here the sequence of number is A square, A cube and A to the power 4. And here this is A2 and this is A3 and this is A4. Okay, now let's find the difference between each term. So firstly, difference between A2 and A. A2 equal to we have A square minus A equal to we have A. Here further it can't be subtracted because for subtraction there must be same variable with same power, but it has power of 2 and it has power of 1, so it can't be subtracted, right? Now difference between A3 and a2. a3 equal to we have a cube minus a2 equal to we have a square. It also can't be subtracted. Now difference between a4 and a3. a4 equal to we have a to the power 4 minus a3 equal to we have a cube. It also can't be subtracted. Here we came to know the difference between each terms is not same, so we can write difference between each terms is not same, so it is not an AP. Now question number 12, and here the sequence of number is root over 2, root over 8, root over 18 and root over 32. And here this is a, this is a2, and this is a3, and this is a4. Okay, now let's find the difference between each terms. Okay, let's find over here. Firstly, difference between a2 and a. a2 equal to we have root over 8 minus a equal to we have root over 2. And here this root over 8 can be written as its factors, prime factors, 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 2, 8, minus root over 2 as it is. And here it has a pair, so it can be taken out, and here remains root over 2 minus root over 2. Now here is 2 root 2, and here is 1 root 2. After subtracting, we obtain difference between a2 and a will be root over 2. Now difference between a3 and a2. a3 equal to we have root over 18 minus, and a2 equal to we have root over 8. And here this root over 18 can be written as its prime factors, 3 into 3, 9, 9 into 2, 18. And this root over 8 can be written as 2 root over 2, which is obtained from here. Now this 3 has pair, so can be taken out, 3, and here remains root over 2 minus 2 root over 2. And here 3 root 2, and here is 2 root 2. And after subtracting, we obtain difference between a3 and a2 is 1 root 2, that is root over 2. Again, we need to find difference between a4 and a3. Okay, let's find at new page. Difference between a4 and a3. a4 equal to we have root over 32 minus a3 equal to we have root over 18. And this root over 32 can be written as its prime factors like this: 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 2, 8, 8 into 2, 16, 16 into 2, 32, minus, and this root over 18 can be written as 3 root over 2, and this is already obtained over here, right? So here this 2 has pair and this 2 also has pair, so it can be taken out. 2 into 2, and here remains root over 2 minus 3 root over 2 as it is. Again 2 into 2, 4 root over 2 minus 3 root over 2. Now here is 4 root 2 and here is 3 root 2. After subtracting, we obtain difference between a4 and a3 is root over 2. Students, in this way the difference between each terms is same, that is root over 2, and here is also root over 2, and here is also root over 2. So we can say that it is an AP. Now according to this question, again we need to write its 3 more terms, right? For that we simply add common difference to its consecutive terms, right? And here the terms which we need to find are a5, that is 5th term, a6, that is 6th term, and a7, that is 7th term. So firstly let's add common difference to 4th term so that we can obtain its 5th term, right? So let's find over here, and our 4th term is root over 32, and it can be expressed as 4 root over 2, which we have already obtained over here, plus common difference we have root over 2, and after adding, okay, here is 4 root 2 and here is 1 root 2, and after adding we obtain 5 root 2. Further it can be solved like this: 5 root over 2 whole square and put whole root. Now square of 5 will be 25, and this 2 and this sign of root can be cancelled out, and here remains only 2 and this whole root. Now finally we obtain 25 into 2, 50 root over 50. This is 5th term. So let's write over here, our 5th term is root over 50. Now again, if we add common difference to its 5th term, then we can obtain its 6th term, right? And here our 5th term is root over 50 plus, and common difference is root over 2, and this root over 50 can be written as its prime factors 5 into 5, 25, and 25 into 2, 50, plus root over 2 as it is. And here this 5 has pair, so can be taken out, and here remains root over 2 plus root over 2, and here is 5 root 2 and here is 1 root 2. After adding we obtain 6 root 2, and Further it can be solved like this: 6 root 2 whole square and put whole root, then square of 6 will be 36, and these 2 and this sign of root can be cancelled out, and here remains into 2 and whole root. Then finally we obtain root over 36 into 2, 72. In this way we have obtained its sixth term. Okay, let's write over here. Our sixth term is root over 72. Now we need to find its seventh term, right? And for that simply we add common difference to its sixth term, and our sixth term is root over 72. Okay, let's find at new page. Our sixth term is root over 72 plus, and common difference is root over 2, and this root over 72 can be written as its prime factors like this: 3 into 3 9, 9 into 2 18, 18 into 2 36, and 36 into 2 72 plus root over 2, and these 3 has pair and these 2 also has pair, so can be taken out. 3 into 2, and here remains root over 2 plus root over 2 as it is. Again 3 into 2 6 root over 2 plus root over 2, and here is 6 root 2 and here is 1 root 2. After adding we obtain 7 root over 2, and further it can be solved like this: 7 root over 2 whole square and put whole root, then square of 7 will be 49 into, and this square and this sign of root can be cancelled out, and here remains 2 and this whole root. Now finally we obtain seventh term, that is root over 49 into 2 98. This is our seventh term. Okay, now let's write over here. Our seventh term is root over 98. Okay students, in this way we have obtained its 3 more terms, that is root over 50, root over 72 and root over 98. Now question number 13, and here the sequence of number is root over 3, root over 6, root over 9 and root over 12, and here this is A, this is A2, and this is A3, and this is A4. Okay, now let's find the difference between each terms. So firstly, difference between A2 and A. A2 equal to, we have root over 6 minus A equal to, we have root over 3. Further it can't be solved, so difference between A2 and A is root over 6 minus root over 3. Now difference between a3 and a2. a3 equal to, we have root over 9 minus a2 equal to, we have root over 6, and this root over 9 can be written as 3 square minus root over 6. Now this square and this sign of root can be cancelled out, and here remains 3 minus root over 6. This is the difference between a3 and a2. Now difference between a4 and a3. a4 equal to, we have root over 12, and a3 equal to, we have root over 9, and this root over 12 can be written as its prime factors 2 into 2, 4 into 3, 12 minus, and this root over 9 can be written as 3 square. Now these two has pair, so can be taken out, and here remains 2 root over 3 minus, and this power and this sign of root can be cancelled out, and here remains only 3. In this way we obtain difference between a4 and a3, that is 2 root over 3 minus 3. Okay students, in this way we came to know the difference between each term is not same, so we can write difference between each terms is not same, so it is not an AP. Question number 14, and here the sequence of number is 1 square, 3 square, 5 square, and 7 square, and this is A, this is A2, and this is A3, and this is A4. Now let's find the difference between each terms. Firstly, difference between a2 and a2 equal to, we have 3 square minus a equal to, we have 1 square, and square of 3 will be 3 3 ja 9 minus, and square of 1 will be 1 itself, and finally we obtain difference between a2 and a is 8. Now difference between a3 and a2. a3 equal to, we have 5 square minus a2 equal to, we have 3 square, and square of 5 will be 25 minus, and square of 3 will be 9, and after subtracting we obtain difference between a3 and a2 is 16. Now difference between a4 and a3. a4 equal to, we have 7 square minus a3 equal to, we have 5 square, and square of 7 will be 49 minus, and square of 5 is 25, and after subtracting we obtain 9 minus 5, 4, and 4 minus 2, 2, 24. Okay, here we came to know the difference between each terms is not same, so we can write difference between each terms is not same, so it is not an AP. Now last question, question number 15, and here the sequence of number is 1 square, 5 square, 7 square, and 73. And this is A2, A3, and this is A4. Okay, now let's find the difference between each terms. Okay, let's find over here. Firstly, difference between A2 and A. A2 equal to, we have 5 square minus A equal to, we have 1 square, and square of 5 will be 25, and minus square of 1 will be 1 itself, and after subtracting we obtain difference between A2 and A is 24. Now difference between A3 and A2. A3 equal to, we have 7 square minus A2 equal to, we have 5 square, and square of 7 will be 49, minus and square of 5 will be 25, and after subtracting, okay, 9 minus 5, 4, and 4 minus 2, 2. Again we obtain difference between A3 and A2 is 24. Now difference between A4 and A3. A4 equal to, we have 73 minus A3 equal to, we have 7 square. Now 73 as it is minus, and square of 7 will be 49, and after subtracting here, okay, 13 minus 9, 4, and here remains 6, 6 minus 4, 2, 24. Okay students, in this way we came to know the difference between each terms is same, that is 24, 24 and 24. So we can say that it is an AP. Now according to this question we need to find its 3 more terms, right? And these terms are A5, A6 and A7 we need to find, right? For that, simply we add common difference to consecutive terms. So firstly, let's add common difference to its fourth term, right? And fourth term is given here 73. 73 plus, and common difference is 24. Now 3 and 4, 7, and 7 into 9, 97. This is fifth term, 97. And when we add common difference to fifth term, then we obtain its sixth term. Okay, here 7 and 4, 11, 1 carry, and 9 and 2, 11, and 1, 12, 121. And this is our sixth term, 121. Again, if we add common difference to sixth term, then we can obtain its seventh term, right? Okay, here 1 and 4, 5 and 2 and 2, 4 and 1 as it is. Now seventh term is 145. Seventh term 145. Okay students, in this way here we have obtained its 3 more terms, that is A5, A6 and A7.